Last year, I spent days smoking my jalapeno peppers to make Chipotle seasoning. This year, I did it the easy way. It sort of felt like I was cheating. Let me know what you think. Was I cheating or was I smart? I'll let you decide. Let's get to it today on organic gardening. So I've got this dryer and I put a bunch of jalapenos in here. I'm gonna show you a picture of these jalapenos when they started. But yeah, you can tell they're dry now because they are clinkety. And I didn't cut the seeds out or anything. Some people say that the seeds actually give the jalapenos their spice. What I did do is instead of smoking them in the grill or a smoker, I used this liquid smoke. And this is exactly what it says. It's 100% natural hickory. So what I did is I doused these as they were drying. I only did it once really, but you can still smell them. Oh yeah, you can smell the hickory in there. It smells really, really good. So we're gonna take these dried. I got only three trays. It's amazing how this is gonna make not very much powder too. And then I'm gonna put them in the Vitamix right here, and I'm gonna grind them up into powder. All right, so let's do it. Here we go. Yeah, these are super, super dry. It took me a while to get a time that I could actually work on this video, so they've been drying for quite a while. People were like, why don't you chop them up smaller and they'll dry a lot quicker? But it really didn't matter because I didn't have time to get this video done. This is a great way to use your jalapenos because you don't have to worry about freezer space this way. I did do another video on how to preserve your peppers in the freezer, and that video has been very well received. I'll put a card up here for you so you can see that video. And now let's put this on the Vitamix, and I'll turn the volume down so you don't blow your eardrums. Puppy's not liking that noise either, are you, puppy? Go ahead and turn it off. One thing you do not want to do is you do not want to open this right when you're done grinding it, because there's a lot of ground up powder that's going to get in the air and get in your lungs, and you do not want that in your lungs. Now I'm going to put this in a plastic bag, and it'll be ready to use in my favorite dishes, like making chicken and meats especially. This end screen is for that video on smoking the jalapeno peppers like I did last year. So I hope you enjoy that one too.